Ever wondered what tools are essential in a car repair workshop? Well, you're about to find out. The world of car repair is intricate, demanding precision and the right tools. These vital instruments not only make the job easier but also significantly boost efficiency. In this video, we'll be exploring some of these indispensable tools, each playing a unique role in a professional car repair workshop. So gear up, because without further ado, let's delve into the list of essential tools you'd find in a professional car repair workshop. First on our list, professional-grade floor jacks and jack stands. These tools are crucial for lifting your car off the ground safely, providing the stability you need for undercarriage repairs. With their robust construction, they can support heavy loads, preventing accidents in the workshop. Floor jacks and jack stands also grant easier access to the bottom of the vehicle, streamlining your repair process. Imagine trying to work without them. It would certainly make car repair significantly more challenging. Next up, we have car lifts. Now, there are two types of these essential workshop tools, the 2-post and the 4-post lifts. Your choice between the two largely depends on your shop's space. The 2-post lift occupies less space, while the 4-post lift, although bigger, provides more stability. Car lifts are game changers. They allow mechanics to effortlessly hoist vehicles to a comfortable working height, making the job easier and more efficient. Car lifts, therefore, are a crucial addition to any car repair workshop. Moving on, we have the air compressor system and safety gear. Now, an air compressor system is a pivotal component in a professional car repair workshop. It's the powerhouse that fuels many of the tools you use. Imagine having a system capable of providing 150 psi. It's like having a reliable workhorse that can handle heavy-duty tasks efficiently, driving your pneumatic tools with the power they need to get the job done. But as we power through tasks, safety cannot be compromised. That's where essential safety gear enters the picture. Picture this: creeper seats that offer comfort and mobility while working under vehicles, OSHA-approved eye goggles to protect your eyes from sparks and debris, and particle masks to shield your lungs from harmful dust particles. These items are not just accessories, they're essentials, integral to the well-being of every mechanic. Having these tools not only ensures efficiency, but also guarantees the safety of the workshop personnel. To wrap it up, we've taken a deep dive into the heart of a professional car repair workshop. We've explored the indispensable role of floor jacks and jack stands in raising vehicles safely, the utility of car lifts, be it 2-post or 4-post based on shop space, the power of a robust air compressor system capable of delivering 150 psi, and the importance of safety gear like creeper seats, OSHA-approved eye goggles and particle masks. And there you have it, the essential tools for a professional car repair workshop. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one.